If you think and question yourself, does money make you rich? Some will say yes, some will say no. But the answer I found from the book Increase Your Financial IQ by Robert Kiyosaki. He said, money alone does not make you rich. We all know people who go to work every day working for money, making more money, but fail to become richer. Ironically, many only grow deeper in debt with each dollar they earn. We have all heard stories of lottery winners, instant millionaires who are instantly poor again. We have also heard stories of real estate going into foreclosure instead of making homeowners richer, more financially secure. Real estate drives homeowners out of their homes and into the poorhouse. Many of us know of individuals who have lost money investing in the stock market, even investing in gold. Robert Kiyosaki believed that the world's real money is gold. Gold was his first real investment as a young adult. He began investing in gold before he began investing in real estate. In 1972, at the age of 25, he began buying gold coin when gold was approximately $70 an ounce. By 1980, gold was approaching $800 an ounce. The frenzy was on. Greed overtook caution. Rumor were that gold was going to hit $2,500 an ounce. Greedy investors began piling on, buying gold, even though they had never done so before. But instead of Robert Kiyosaki selling some of his gold coin and making a small profit, he hung on, also hoping that gold would go higher. About a year later, as gold dropped below $500 an ounce, he finally sold his last coin from 1980. He watched as gold drifted lower and lower till it finally bottomed out at $250 in 1999. Although he did not make much money, but gold taught him many priceless lessons about money. Once he realized that he could lose money investing in real money, that is gold, he realized that it was not gold, the asset, that was valuable. It was the information relative to the asset that ultimately made a person rich or poor. In other words, it is not real estate, stocks, mutual funds, businesses, or money that makes a person rich. It is information, knowledge, wisdom, and know-how to, aka financial intelligence, that makes one wealthy. In short, many people believe that it takes money to make money. This is not true. Always remember that if you can lose money investing in gold, you can lose money in anything. Ultimately, it is not gold, stocks, real estate, hard work, or money that makes you rich. It is what you know about gold, stocks, real estate, hard work, and money that makes you rich. Ultimately, it is your financial intelligence, your financial IQ that makes you rich.